Whether you're starting a new business or want to supercharge an existing one, The 7 Secret Keys to Startup Success is the one book you need. Hi, I'm David Muchow. I've helped hundreds of companies over the years, and I'm excited to share my secrets of success with you. This book answers all of your key questions and provides legal tips and model forms you just can't get anywhere else. And it shows you what to do and never to do to avoid business killing mistakes. You'll also get exciting stories and real-life cases. The 7 Secret Keys to Startup Success, it's the one valuable business tool you're going to use again and again.